Hello and welcome you all. Myself Dhananjay Patil, lecturer of KK Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori. Today we are going to learn about proteins, amino acids, and polypeptides. So this is part 6. So in part 6 we are dealing with the qualitative test of proteins. Then we are going to see functions of proteins. Qualitative test of proteins: heat test or coagulation test. When a protein solution is heated in a boiling water bath, the protein gets coagulated and lose their biological activity. This is called thermal denaturation of proteins. Examples: boiling of eggs. That is, in eggs there is a protein called as albumin. Color reactions of proteins. Biuret test: positive for all proteins. Biuret reaction consists of copper sulfate in an alkaline medium. When proteins are treated with biuret reagent, it shows a violet color. This test is used for the identification and estimation of all the proteins. Nein-Hydrin test. This test is characteristic of free amino group present in protein molecule, and so it is also given by all proteins. In this test, Nein-Hydrin is reduced by free amino group of proteins to form a complex blue color compounds. Xanthoprotic test. Nitration of aromatic amino acid or protein gives yellow color. Concentrated nitric acid is used for nitration. On the treatment of nitric acid, proteins give a yellow color precipitate, which turns to orange color on the treatment with alkali. Examples are albumin, globulin, and casein or casein. Millions test. Phenolic group of tyrosine containing proteins react with mercury sulfate in the presence of sodium nitrite and sulfuric acid to give red color. Example: albumin, globulin, casein, and peptone. Aldehyde test. This test is given by proteins containing amino acid tryptophan. Example: peptone. In this test, protein is precipitated by mercuric sulfate, that is Millians reagent, and the amino acid, the mercuric sulfate, that is Millians reagent, and the amino acid tryptophan condenses with the formaldehyde in presence of H2SO4 to form violet color compound. Arginine test or Sakaguchi test. This test is given by proteins containing amino acid arginine. Example: gelatin. In this test, guanidine group of arginine react with alpha naphthol in presence of sodium hypochromite to give red or orange condensation product. Sulfur test. This test is given by proteins composed of amino acid containing sulfur like cysteine and cysteine. Example: peptone. In this test, sulfur from amino acid is precipitated as black or brown PPT of lead sulfide on addition of lead acetate. Sulfur test. This test is given by protein composed of amino acid containing sulfur like cysteine and cysteine. Example: peptone. In this test, sulfur from amino acid is precipitated as black or brown PPT of lead sulfide on addition of lead acetate. Hydrolysis test. Proteins on hydrolysis gives free amino acid. Hydrolysis can be carried out by acids like hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid, or alkalis like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Protein hydrolysis is a conventional source of amino acid. The extent of hydrolysis is tested by carrying out Nein-Hydrin and biuret test with respect to time for which the hydrolysis reaction carried out. Nein-Hydrin reaction is negative for the protein, but after hydrolysis it is positive as free amino acids are formed. Precipitation reaction. Proteins are precipitated by using different agents like salt, organic solvents, heavy metal, acids, etc. Salts: ammonium sulfate, sodium chloride, organic solvents such as acetone, alcohol. Precipitation by heavy metals like sodium tungstate, ammonium molybdate, copper or mercury salts. Precipitation by mineral acids like trichloroacetic acid, TCA, acetic acid, HCl, HNO3, and H2SO4. Functions of proteins. So these are divided into two types of dynamic and function and static function. So started with dynamic function. Enzymes in catalysis. A very important function of proteins is to serve as a biological catalyst, that is enzyme. Except for some ribosomes, RNA enzymes, all enzymes are proteins. Biochemical reactions can occur at a significant rate only in the presence of enzymes. Enolase in the glycolytic pathway. DNA polymerase in DNA replication. Regulatory proteins, receptor and signal transducer. Chemically, all the receptors are proteins. Examples are insulin, and hormone receptor, LDL receptor, that is low density lipoproteins, transferrin receptor and T cell receptor, etc. Transport or carrier proteins, hemoglobin, transport of oxygen in the blood, membrane channel and associated protein. Chemically, these channels are made up of proteins. Examples: chloride channel, calcium channel, sodium potassium channel, etc. Lactose permease transports lactose across the cell membrane. Then transferrin, lipoproteins, transcobalamin, tyrosine binding globulin, corticosteroid binding globulin, retinol binding proteins, and albumins. Then static function includes structure, that collagen that is connected to tissue, in keratin that is found in hair, nails, feathers, horns. In motion, muscle contraction occurs because of movement of the actin and myosin filament. Both are contractile proteins. Myosin is muscle protein or found in muscle tissues. Uh, Actin found in muscle tissues and cell motility. Storage: ferritin and hemocyanin store iron. Uh, Transcobalamin 1 stores vitamin B12. Defense: responsible to protect from infection and other toxic substances. Examples are antibodies. Thank you so much.